In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails in Gmail by sender, size, date, and unread. To get started, open Gmail and go to your main home dashboard, usually your inbox. This is where you'll be able to access Gmail's built-in search and filtering tools. If you have a crowded inbox, don't worry. This method is a quick way to narrow things down and find exactly the emails you want. At the top of the Gmail screen, look for the search bar. On the right side of that search bar, click the filter icon. This opens Gmail's advanced search options, which let you sort and refine your emails using several different criteria all in one place. First, click into the From field and type in the sender's email address. This is useful when you only want to see messages from one specific person or company. Make sure you enter the address carefully so Gmail returns the most accurate results. Next, move to the size section. Click the size drop-down and choose whether you want emails that are greater than a certain size or less than a certain size. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to locate large emails with attachments or smaller routine messages. After that, click the value field and enter the number you want to use for the size filter. Then click the unit drop-down and choose whether that number should be measured in megabytes, kilobytes, or bytes. Choosing the right unit matters here, so if you're looking for bigger emails, megabytes will usually be the most practical option. Now go to the date area in the Within section, click the day drop-down and select a time range such as 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or 1 year. This helps you limit results based on how recently the emails were received. You can also click the date field and choose a specific date from the calendar. This is helpful when you want to focus your search around a particular time period instead of browsing through months of messages. Once all of your filters are set, click search. Gmail will immediately display the matching emails below the search field. When your search results appear, click is unread to narrow the list down even further to messages you haven't opened yet. This final step is especially useful if you want to focus only on emails that still need your attention. And that's how you can sort and filter emails in Gmail by sender, size, date, and unread status to keep your inbox much easier to manage.